Hey guys, Karen Wolf here in the art studio. Just wanted to come on here this evening and give you a little painting tip. Just from me to you. Hi, I'm an artist and I teach adults and children how to paint and become better painters in my art studio and online. I just wanted to give you a little painting tip on how to keep your paint clean and not to contaminate it on your plate. A lot of times when I have folks come in here to paint with me during the painting parties, they'll go throughout the process, and before you know it, they have just gone into their paint and they just go into the center of it and mix their paints, keep going in and just going into the center of it and getting different colors, and before you know it, their color is all contaminated and mixed. Like if this had any green on it, they would go into the green and then they would get some yellow and go on their canvas and paint, and go on to the red and get some green, and the green's in the red and the red's in the yellow and all before you know it, it's all contaminated. So in order to not do that and keep your paint clean, seems simple, but people don't think of it. So here's what you do. You go into the color, go in from the side. Go in and pick your color up from the side, and you won't contaminate it that way. So if you go in and get a little bit of blue, get a little bit of white, and then you go to paint, then you've dirtied it here, but this part of it's still clean. So go into the side of your paint instead of in the center, and you won't contaminate your colors. So there you go. There's your little tip of the day. It just saves on paint, because we all know sometimes paint's hard to come by. You can't find it, or you run out, and then you hate to go to the store. So keep your paint clean. All right. Thank you, guys. Have a great evening. Talk to you soon. Bye-bye.